guys. I have a new unboxing. Let's see what is it. It's gonna be good. This is gonna be a crazy one. You guys never seen these unboxings. I cannot tell you what it is, and it's a secret. And whoa, it's My Sing Monsters. What are we gonna do with this? Oh, there is. Oh, there's Kina. And here's the noggin. Pom Pom. Frockhorn. And why do we get this drumlet? The drumlet actually looks cool in the game. Pango. What do we got here? The mammoth. Dun, 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 dun. We got the gas. Pretty nice. We got the Embrat. We also got Talker. Yeah, Talker. Everything here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we got the rare Roblox. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Actually, remember the video where I smashed it? I'm actually gonna smash it instead of opening it. Ow, ow, ow. This is the game player, which is the last one that you usually get when you have the full song. You get the Robloxes. Rare Roblox? Looks kind of realistic, but let's just put it here to see it. Spin it. You guys could see all around it. Looks pretty realistic, but let's just put it here and here. Could these things stand? No, that one cannot pretty much stand normal. Why does the mammy look like Okay, let's just okay. This one is already looks like a little bit looks like it's open. Oh, it's not. How do you guys think? Why does the bag long? I don't know. What? We got the mammoth. We got the mammoth. We got the mammoth. Doo. Wait. More other one. Bum. And the mammoth could stand really perfect. Oh, let's just throw this in the trash. Yeah. Oh, thanks. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment too. So you see this video, and then we'll have more unboxings later. Don't forget the gas. There's the gas. Dun, 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 dun. Bye.